How to find your user ID in Diablo Immortal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you're trying to report a problem, recover your account or contact with support in Diablo Immortal, then you'll need your user ID. It is a unique number linked to your account, so if you want to find that, first of all open up the Diablo Immortal game and wait for the main screen to load. Now make sure that you're inside the main homepage or the gameplay section. And from here, go to the top right corner and tap the menu button. Now, click on the gear icon at the top right, and this will open Settings. From the Settings menu, inside the General tab, you'll see your user ID at the bottom. You can write down this user ID on a piece of paper or take a screenshot of this page. So there you have it. Your user ID will be displayed at the bottom. This video is for helping you out, so I'm just showing my user ID over here, but for you, don't ever share your user ID publicly with strangers. Only share it with official support if needed. This user ID can be used for account recovery, reporting bugs, customer support requests, or linking devices. So that's how you find your user ID in Diablo Immortal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.